Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a mouse wheel scrolling problem. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all in the search box type a control panel, open control panel, and after doing this step go to your view by a small icon, select it. After doing this step find out a mouse. So here is a mouse, so select it and click on it. Now new pop-up window will be open, and first of all you can set some increase the speed of your mouse according to your needs. So in my case is a this is a recommended, so in my case is a it's fine. So after doing that go to your wheel. So here is options. So now 3 is recommended. So if you are facing slow problems or any problem regarding if you're facing a mouse scrolling problem, then you can change the value. So according to it, like 5 and 4. After doing this step, click on apply an OK button and check it. So in my case is a 3 is recommended, and in my case is a properly work. So I set a 3. So you can set it according to your need. After click on apply and OK button and close it. After doing this step, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.